Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to be your kitchen's new best friend. We're talking about the Kitchen Induction Cookware and Bakeware set, a massive 30-piece offering in a sleek black granite finish. This isn't just a collection of pots and pans, it's a complete culinary toolkit. Let's start by unpacking what you actually get in this generous 30-piece set. You receive a variety of fry pans including a 5.5-inch, an 8-inch, and an 11-inch, plus a 9.5-inch deep fry pan with a lid and a 9.5-inch square steak fry pan. Moving on to pots, there's a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 3-quart casserole with a lid, and a larger 5-quart casserole also with a lid. To round out the stovetop cooking options, you also get a 5-quart steamer. But the set doesn't stop at stovetop cooking. It extends into the oven with several baking pieces. You'll find a 14 by 9.2 by 2.2 inch baking form, an 11.6 by 6 by 2.5 inch baking form, and a 14.6 by 9.8 by 2.2 inch rectangular baking tray. For those who love to bake smaller treats, there's a 10-inch round springform pan and a 12-cup muffin pan. To help you get started immediately, the set also includes 3 silicone utensils, 3 ceramic knives, and 6 dining placemats. That's a lot of value packed into one box. Now, let's talk about the core performance of cookware, its non-stick capabilities. This set boasts a graniteware coating. The claim is that this coating does a good job preventing food from sticking, and importantly, it allows for healthier cooking by requiring less oil. This is a big win for those of us trying to reduce fat intake. Furthermore, the graniteware is said to be safe for cooking acidic foods like tomato sauce without imparting any unwanted taste or smell, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your dishes. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and that's especially true when it comes to cookware. This set highlights its toxin-free nature, explicitly stating its LEED, PFOS, and PFOA free. These are chemicals we definitely want to avoid in our cooking surfaces due to potential health risks. It's reassuring to see manufacturers prioritizing these health aspects. A healthier lifestyle often starts with the tools we use every day, and this set seems to be designed with that in mind. For those with induction cooktops, compatibility is key. This cookware set features an aluminum core, which is excellent for quick and even heat distribution. The larger, high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures it works on all major types of cooktops, including induction and especially glass stoves. This versatility means you don't have to worry about whether it will work in your specific kitchen. The handles on these pots and pans are made of Bakelite. This material is chosen for its heat-resistant and insulating properties. Bakelite is designed not to burn when exposed to high heat, offering a level of safety and durability. It's noted as being safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a limited time, which is a good indication of its performance during typical cooking scenarios. The dark color of the Bakelite handles also contributes to them being more stain-resistant and easier to clean. Finally, let's touch upon quality and service. The brand emphasizes a strict multi-inspection process for each piece, aiming for high quality. They also highlight a 24/7 online customer service, ready to assist with any issues you might encounter. This commitment to service can be a significant factor when investing in a comprehensive cookware set. So, to sum up the pros, this is an incredibly comprehensive 30-piece set offering immense value. The non-stick graniteware coating promises healthier cooking and easy cleanup. The toxin-free certification is a significant health benefit. Its induction compatibility and even heat distribution are excellent performance features, and the Bakelite handles offer a good level of safety. On the cons side, while the non-stick is advertised as good, like all non-stick coatings, its longevity will depend on how it's used and cared for. The heat resistance of Bakelite is noted as being for a limited time at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which might be a consideration for some very specific, high-heat baking or stovetop tasks, though for general cooking, it should be perfectly adequate. Also, with such a large set, storage can become a challenge for some kitchens. Overall, This kitchen induction cookware and bakeware set presents itself as a robust, healthy, and versatile option for anyone looking to equip their kitchen with a wide array of cooking and baking tools. It covers all the bases from stovetop to oven, with a focus on safety and performance. Link in the description.